Since its launch in 2017, Binance Exchange has ruled the crypto kingdom, moving a jaw-dropping $2.2 trillion in trading volume in 2025 alone. So if I told you that there's a project aiming to out-trade Binance, you would probably laugh, right? The thing is, this crypto contender has already settled $150 billion in trades with 900,000 daily users in its first year. And that number keeps climbing with every new product launch. And the best part, while this sleeping giant has been quietly dominating DeFi, most investors have never even heard of it. How is that possible? Well, it isn't just another DEX. It's an infrastructure play for many DEXs to build on top of. With a market cap under $110 million, it checks every box for it to be a once-in-a-cycle money printer. My name is Ray, and this is Cash Lab. We turn tech trends into profit, guys. I've been in the space since 2017, and I've had the privilege of watching this market grow from meme-driven chaos into serious infrastructure plays like the one we're going to be breaking down today. The market's appetite has shifted from meme coins to real utility, and the Perp Dex meta, with names like Astra and Hyperliquid, is heating up. But unlike projects that burn bright and fade away, this one actually has an all-star team, serious backers, and generates cash flow. We're going to get into the specifics and why you should care as an investor if you stick around, because today we're talking about Orderly Network. Whether you're brand new to crypto or a seasoned bull run veteran, there's one word that drives everything in decentralized finance: liquidity. Liquidity is how quickly you can get in and out of a trade without wrecking the price. Think of it like the dance floor of the markets, the rhythm that keeps everything moving. The more liquidity a DEX has, the easier it is to move large amounts without swinging the prices. When liquidity is thin, even a few $1,000s can trigger a chain reaction, sending prices tumbling and leaving traders with less than they expected. Here's the problem. DeFi is fragmented. Liquidity is scattered across dozens of chains and exchanges. It's like having your money spread out across different wallets, making it harder to control. The truth is, most DEXs fizzle out within the first year. Orderly set out to fix that. Instead of every new exchange scrambling to buy and hold tokens just to stabilize price, they built a shared pool of liquidity, a decentralized order book that any exchange can plug into. One shared order book deep enough to satisfy even the hungriest traders, no matter which chain you're building on. That means more stability for projects, less overhead for the new teams, deep liquidity for traders from day one. They're already live on over 17 different chains, including Ethereum, Solana, BNB, Arbitrum, Base, Linea, Scroll, and Sonic. Builders can save over 200 hours by plugging in instead of coding their exchange from scratch. Traders get faster fills, lower slippage, and no more lagging dashboards. It's DeFi with the training wheels taken off. Now, Orderly Network isn't some shiny new hype coin flashing neon lights. It's core infrastructure, and the market is finally waking up to its value, especially with all the Asterbuzz and the DEX wars heating up. You see, for 3 cycles, crypto was a playground for degenerate traders. Now the suits are here. Pro traders, hedge funds, even companies putting crypto on their balance sheets. The scoreboards have shifted from hype to actual revenue, and Orderly is pulling in millions in fees. That's a business model most of crypto can't touch. Now let's talk about the tech. Orderly executes trades in under 200 milliseconds. That's centralized exchange speed with decentralized transparency. Settlement runs on the OP stack, with Celestia providing its data availability. Cross-chain messaging is powered by Layer 0, letting assets and trades move seamlessly between blockchains. It's got multi-collateral perps, which means you can trade with Ethereum, Solana, BNB, STETH, USDT, even Bitcoin-backed USDY. No need for bridges, no awkward delays, just trading. It's also the first DeFi protocol to launch multi-collateral perps across both Solana and Ethereum. Orderly already has a number of different exchanges in its portfolio, including WooFi Pro, QuickSwap perps, Radium perps on Solana, and Coin98, just to name a few. And every new integration strengthens the network. That's why people are calling it the Amazon Web Service of DeFi trading. And in September, Orderly even flipped Arbitrum in perp volume. Let's talk about the investor flywheel. What does this mean if you are holding the Order token? Orderly generates around $600K in trading fees each month, and it surpassed 10 million in cumulative fees by June 2025. And 60% of that flows back to the stakers of Order token. APRs can range anywhere from 30 to 50% in USDC, meaning long-term holders can earn real passive income. Why do I think this project is undervalued? Orderly initially raised $20 million from some of the biggest names in crypto and finance, like Pantera, Dragonfly, Sequoia China, Jump Crypto, GSR, MetaWeb, OKX Ventures, Manifold Trading, Presto Labs, Nomad Capital, and Origin Protocol. And the market cap is still under $110 million. Meanwhile, it's processed over $150 billion in trades trades. That's a 1,300 to 1 volume to market cap ratio as of September 2025. Meanwhile, other protocols with zero revenue trade in the billions. It's like a billion-dollar company priced as a penny stock. And lastly, I want to talk about Orderly One. This is Orderly's latest and most bullish endeavor. They made a simple, no-code platform that makes it easy for anyone to build a perpetual futures decentralized exchange.
What if I told you you can launch your own branded Perp Dex in under 10 minutes and expand your revenue stream without writing a single line of code? This isn't some Web3 pipe dream, it's real and it's called Orderly One. Let's be real, launching a crypto exchange used to be hell. You need dev teams, months of backend work, front-end design, wallet integration, staking logic, order books, you name it. It was expensive and time-consuming, and pretty much out of reach unless you're a VC-backed protocol. But now, Orderly flipped the script. Orderly One is a no-code platform that lets anyone launch a fully functional perpetual DEX using the same infrastructure that powers top-tier DEXs like WooFi and Radiant.
It's a huge step for Orderly because it lets creators, communities, and influencers launch their own branded Perp Dex. In its first week, it helped launch 833 DEXs, with 34 of them graduated and earning fees. So if you're thinking, why would anyone want to start their own DEX? Just look at Dex. They started as a small crypto community using Orderly's infrastructure, and within a month, they grew to 13 billion in trading volume, earning millions in fees for the creators. And a good chunk of that gets flowed right back through the Orderly protocol. And every successful DEX built this way amplifies Orderly's network effect. More users, more trades, more protocol fees. That's insanely bullish for order holders. This project isn't competing with other DEXs, it's empowering them, stacking value behind the scenes while their ecosystem keeps expanding. If you're still not convinced that this project is one of the strongest plays in DeFi right now, let's recap. First, to enable multi-collateral perps on both Solana and EVM chains. Backed by elite investors, partnered with industry heavyweights, Google Cloud, Celestia, and Layer Zero. And they also have future planning expansions to Monad and Chain, unlocking new layers of liquidity and reach. In short, Orderly has the tech, the traction, and the backers to rewrite what's possible in decentralized finance. Like staying ahead of tech trends and the Web3 space, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.